Hello family, I hope you are doing well. I welcome you so much on my channel. Thank you for always coming in and watch my videos. This is Betty Ajeka, Mamaka. If you are new here, thank you so much. I welcome you. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching, for subscribing. May God bless you. Today, we are going to be preserving sweet potato, cooked sweet potato. I'm going to be showing you how we preserve cooked sweet potato in our culture. So guys, keep watching. As you are seeing me there, I'm just cleaning a saucepan that I'm going to use to preserve our sweet potato that was left during supper. The good thing in Uganda, we normally eat steamed food, so it remains safe. We don't put food direct in water. We eat steamed food. So guys, that's how we do it. I'm going to be drying that saucepan. After drying it, I put in a simple banana leaf that I used in the process of cooking. After I put my sweet potato, I put on fire. You're going to be seeing. If you are new here, just subscribe, share and like the video so that you don't miss anything on this channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching up to the end. So guys, remember you can keep this sweet potato for almost 3 days when it is still safe. It is so amazing. Guys, if you have charcoal, it's better to use charcoal instead of firewood. And you have to get a strong saucepan, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. May God bless you.